Hey, what's going on everybody? My name is David A. Stone and welcome to another exciting episode of Develop Awesome Skills. Behind me is my kitchen here at Stonehaven that I built, and now I'm gonna show you how I built it. This was back in 2016 and I never actually published these videos, so let's do this. Here's the IKEA legs package that they come in. You could basically do 2 cabinets. Now they say you can match them up underneath for 2 in 1, but 2 legs per cabinet because you only put the legs on the front. The back is secured by the rail here. There's just a few pieces. They're plastic, they seem super cheap, but I mean, this is what they use all the time, so I'm just gonna go with it. So you just screw this on the side of it. This will go on the bottom as a little piece of trim or something, I guess. This is a little cap for the end here, or for the end. And then this is a doweled piece. This just goes in the bottom of the countertop in the cabinet, and then this just basically just sits right in that groove there. I like to put this in when I see the cabinet upside down because then I get it perfect. So here's this leg, put together another leg. Okay, there's 2 more legs there. I only have enough room to hang 1 more cabinet here, and then I gotta build the rest of this wall out. So I'll just put 1 more up here for now. So what I do is I put this upside down here, and then you can see on the bottom there's some holes here and some holes here. And so you want to put this to where the outside is closer, the loop, the oval. See that oval there? There's one side that it's closer to, and that goes towards the edge. Pop it in there. And then this has one, and you want to make this the leg closest to the edge too. Pop that in there. So then do it again for the other side. And this is the front of the cabinet facing this way. You know, IKEA does nice stuff in the way of making things simple to put together. These are used a lot, and by smarter people than me. So I go for it. And they look nice. They have really great style and designs on the cabinets. Now, as you can see, it's way higher right here. No, way off. Nice. 3 boxes are hung and leveled. Yeah, this takes a little longer than expected. You know, if I would have worked all day today, I would have been further along. But I didn't start till the middle of the day. Now my friends are coming over, ready to hang out. Definitely have a lot more work I can be doing right now. So on this side too. No, it's not. I'm gonna have to figure this out. I'll come back a little bit later.